Are you stuck deciding between Help Scout and Intercom for your help desk software? Both offer great features, but which one truly delivers the best value for your business? Stick around as we break down the key differences, strengths, and weaknesses of these two popular platforms. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which one is the better option for your needs. First, let's talk about Help Scout. It's known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. If you prefer a straightforward help desk solution, Help Scout makes it easy to manage customer support without feeling overwhelmed. It offers shared inboxes, automated workflows, and reporting tools. Plus, Help Scout integrates well with other platforms, which can help you streamline your processes. But here's the thing, while it's great for small to mid-sized teams, some advanced features like live chat and in-app messaging are either limited or not as robust as you might need. Next thing to consider is Intercom. Intercom has become a major player in the customer support space, offering a range of features that go beyond the typical help desk. From live chat to product tours and customer engagement tools, Intercom brings a lot to the table. It's definitely more versatile than Help Scout when it comes to proactive customer support, with automation and personalized messaging being its strong suit. However, with that added flexibility comes complexity, and Intercom can be harder to navigate for smaller teams or those just starting out. Plus, the pricing structure can be quite a bit steeper, especially for smaller businesses with tighter budgets. Moving on to pricing, a big factor in the Help Scout versus Intercom debate. Help Scout's pricing is more affordable and straightforward, making it a solid choice for companies who need a reliable help desk system without breaking the bank. You'll get a lot for your money, but you're still limited in terms of scalability and advanced features. Intercom, on the other hand, might seem expensive initially, but its ability to scale with growing businesses and its robust set of tools could justify the cost for those looking for a more comprehensive solution. However, if you're on a tight budget, this could be a deal breaker. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Both Help Scout and Intercom provide great customer support, but they do it in different ways. Help Scout's customer support is often praised for its friendly and fast response times, plus their support team works directly within the platform. Intercom offers a great mix of self-service support and personal customer support, though it can sometimes take a bit longer to get a direct response. Next, let's talk about features. Help Scout is perfect for handling tickets and managing customer inquiries with a clean, easy-to-use dashboard. But when you're looking for things like live chat, messaging bots, or advanced analytics, you might feel a bit limited. Intercom, on the other hand, excels in this department. Its ability to manage live chat, automation, and customer engagement tools outshines Help Scout, especially if you need more advanced features. Now, if you're still unsure, here's the truth. Both Help Scout and Intercom have their pros and cons. They are solid choices, but when you consider pricing, scalability, and advanced features, they might not be the best fit for everyone. After trying both myself, I found a better alternative for businesses looking to get the best value out of their help desk software. If you want to take your customer support to the next level, click the link in the description below to take advantage of a free trial. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Try it out for yourself and see why it's the top choice for businesses today.